Welcome to over 100 acres of southern charm, multiple ponds, lush pastures, and a home designed for modern family living. From the moment you drive down the long private entrance, you'll feel the peace and privacy this estate offers. Spanning more than 100 secluded acres, this property blends breathtaking natural beauty with thoughtful, functional improvements. Step outside and the property truly comes alive. Multiple ponds, including trophy bass ponds with a new dock and fish cleaning station, create a peaceful retreat for fishing and outdoor enjoyment. Rolling pastures surround the home, perfect for livestock, farming, or simply taking in the expansive views. The estate also functions as a productive coastal Bermuda hay farm, complete with a barn and an irrigated main hayfield, featuring a 4-tier pivot. Additional amenities include a fully renovated on-site apartment, ideal for guests or extended family. Whether you're looking for a private retreat, a family estate, or a mix of both, this property delivers versatility, beauty, and unmatched serenity. From sunrise to sunset, every corner of this estate invites you to slow down, enjoy nature, and create lasting memories. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. With the right buyer, this stunning Georgia retreat could be your private paradise.